I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Honda Passport. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a fully charged 12-volt battery. Position the working vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Turn off both engines and engage the parking brakes. Ensure all accessories are off in both cars to prevent electrical surges. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your Honda Passport's dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal part of your Passport's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start your Passport. First, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your dead battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Honda Passport. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 or 3 minutes before attempting again, giving the battery more time to charge. Once your Honda Passport starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Passport. Then, disconnect the black clamp from the negative terminal of the good battery. Next, remove the red clamp from the positive terminal of the good battery. Finally, detach the red clamp from your Passport's positive terminal. Drive your Passport for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.